here we are now with Fun with Plum. We got Plum and Big Chappy. And today we're going to make some what, Plummy? What are we making?
We're making slime.
Yeah, we're making slime. Now we got some special slime.
Yeah, and we're doing the slime challenge.
We're doing the slime challenge. So what you going to roll? You're going to roll something. What you going to roll, Plummy?
A dice.
You're going to roll a dice. And now that was a practice roll. What number did you get? 4. And so then for 4, he would put in this here sparkly glue. All right. And so they're each going to take turns rolling, and we'll see what slime they come up with. So the first one there we got is shaving cream. Second thing there we got is some extra glue for your slime. The third thing there we got, what do we got there, Big Chappy?
Food coloring.
Food coloring. And then we got the sparkly glue. What's number 5, Plummy?
This is flanks.
Yeah, silly string. And what do we got over there for number 6?
Glitter.
We got some glitter. All right, well, let's go. Plummy, you up. Roll the dice. Okay, what'd you get? What number now?
1.
1. All right, put that shaving cream in. As much as you want there, Plummy. I think you got to hold it straight up. There you go now.
There we go.
All right. I'll roll the dice now, Big Chip. What'd you get, Big Chip?
I got 4.
All right.
That is the sparkly glue.
All right now.
I'm going to put like half. Okay, thanks. Man, that'll good. There'll be more.
You're going to have some extra sparkly slime.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Okay, put that in there. Nah.
All right, Plum, roll that dice.
Oh, there, I got a 4.
Oh, now you get some glue. Put in as much as you want now.
Hey, I got it. Oh, it's kind of looking like it. Oh, that's good, man.
All right, Big Chappy. Roll that dice now.
I kind of want a shaving cream. Yay. How do you do it? Oh, yeah.
Hold it straight up.
Don't put
All right.
fluffy slime. Fluffy slime.
All right. Roll the dice, Plummy.
You look good, man. Shaving cream on my feet.
What'd you get?
I got 2.
A 2. All right.
Extra glue.
Extra glue for you.
I want some of that food coloring. Very good.
All right.
Putting in wild glue in it.
Go ahead there, Chappy. 3. Food coloring. You can do blue, red, green, or yellow.
I'm gonna pick the blue.
All right.
Blue.
Get that blue in there.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that's gonna be good.
Oh, that's a good name.
All right. All right, Plum.
I got 1.
1.
More shaving cream. More shaving cream. Oh my gosh. I got more shaving cream.
All right, roll the dice there, Chappy.
I got more shaving cream.
More shaving cream again.
I'm only gonna add a little bit because I've got a lot.
All right.
Okay, because
Roll the dice there, Plum.
I got 2.
All right, what you gonna choose? Red? Oh, that's a good choice.
No, some blue.
Oh, you're gonna do blue, just like Big Chip?
Oh, yes. Oh, that's good, man. A bit more. That's good.
All right. Go ahead, Big Chappy.
So it's gonna be, so mine's gonna be blue. So I got 3.
All right, what you gonna do?
I think I'm gonna pick the green.
Blue and green.
Ooh, this green.
All right, so we decided we're done with the shaving cream. We got enough of that, and we're done with the extra glue. All right, Plum, put your glitter in.
There's a couple more goodies.
You want more than that? Is that all you want?
That's all I want.
All right. All right, Chip, roll the dice.
I want 5. I got a 3.
All right, more food coloring.
I'm just gonna put a little bit more green.
All right, go ahead, Plum.
I really want 5.
What'd you get?
3.
All right, more food coloring.
I want
Maybe
to
we'll-
get some yellow. Cause yellow kind And it's the same as the glitter and the blue size. And I also like mixing stuff. So I'm just gonna go for the. Yeah.
All right, Chappie, go ahead.
Please be a 5.
4. We'll give you each one more turn.
Yeah.
Someone's got to get that silly string.
Yeah, someone does.
All right, go ahead there, Plum.
I want 5.
I got a
Oh,
one.
roll again.
2.
Roll again.
Oh, it's a
6.
6. All right, more glitter.
More glitter.
It's a 6. More glitter.
4. All right. Now we're going to go one more turn, but we're going to get rid of the glitter glue and we're going to get rid of the food coloring. So you can only roll a 5 or a 6. We got silly string and glitter. That's the only 2 things left. 2. Roll again. 5. All right, you got the silly string now.
I want somebody get 5. How do you do this, man? How do you do this?
Well, Big Chap, you want to help him? You got to push down on it.
Tell me what you want.
Some.
Okay.
They're gonna. They got the sister being last mom. I know this.
All right, glitter.
Oh yeah.
You guys want one more round?
Yeah.
All right, one more round.
Okay. No.
Again. 4.
More still string.
Well, okay, I can do it now.
Okay.
I'm going to try to do it.
Nope.
Oh, I think I know how. Oh, I just got it now. Oh!
Okay,
They're good, man.
Maybe.
Please
Please be a 5. Please be a 5.
You must not. Please be 5.
No.
All right, put as much glitter in as you want. All right, now, so here's the final project. This is Big Chips. All right. This is plums. And now we're going to add the final ingredients to make the slime. We're going to add glue. We're going to add water. And we're going to add a little bit of Tide. All right, here we go. We got the final ingredients in. They're going to mix it up now with a spoon.
Smash the like button if you want to see some silly string in mine. Because I really want some silly string.
All right, smash that like button if you want to see silly string. Oh, I think you just got a bunch of likes. Put it in.
Mix it up.
Go ahead, you can mix it. Go ahead.
Add a silly string.
Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is fun.
Big Chappie slime, blue, and silly string, and shaving cream. And we got plum slime over here. All right, you guys want to show us your slime? Hold it up. Ooh, yeah. All right. All right, comment on this video. Let us know which slime you like better. Big Chappies, show us your slime, Big Chappie. Or plums. All right, see you next time on Fun with Plums.